Hi everybody! So it's that time of the year where we start decorating for Halloween, and this year we did Halloween in a big way, and we're going to take you on a quick Halloween tour of the house. So last year we did orange and white, and it was like a pumpkin and ghost theme, but this year we did what?
We brought more stuff and we made our house like a whole mansion of like Halloween stuff.
Halloween stuff. We got witches and we have ghosts and pumpkin heads. So we're going to take you on a quick tour of the house, and we hope you like it.
Bye everybody. I hope you liked the tour.
Bye!
Hey, thanks for watching. Click on Libby to subscribe to our channel. Already subscribed? Click over here to see more of our videos.